Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delightful treat in store for you, sweetened red beans. Let's dive right into the recipe. To begin, soak the red beans in water overnight. After draining the water, add clean water and some rock sugar to the beans. Now let's get our steamer ready. Preheat it to high heat, ensuring the heat is rolling and ready to work its magic. Place a plate of red beans inside the steamer and let them cook for around 1 hour. As the steam works its wonders, the red beans will transform into a delectably sweet and tender treat. And just like that, your sweetened red beans are ready to be enjoyed. I highly encourage you to give this recipe a try and experience the delightful flavors for yourself. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts and feedback. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.